So I'm unboxing this $400 hammer that I got for my birthday. It's pretty amazing. I was looking at this hammer for a while to pick up, and my wife and mother-in-law decided to pick it up for me. It's an amazing gift. All right, my birthday is not for a couple of days, but I'm excited to go to work tomorrow and see what this hammer really is about. All right, I have used it before because I got a couple guys at work that has this hammer. It's the M1 Martinez. It's 400 bucks for this thing, man. Like, it's a lot of money. It's a titanium handle with an amazing custom grip, also with the M1 head, which is incredibly OP. All right, that means overpowered for anyone who is into gaming content. That's what I really do on this channel, but I'm veering away just to do this video because this hammer is crazy. All right, and I want to document this on my channel. So if you guys support the content, man, make sure you drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I will do a follow-up video in like 2 months to see exactly what I think about the hammer, but I already know I'm gonna love it. It's just insane. But before we open up the Martinez, I want you guys to see the hammer that I've been using. Let me get this stick off of here. This is a 14-ounce Irwin hammer. It's not a bad hammer, all right? It does the job. It swings pretty well. The claw on it is pretty decent. As you guys can see, I wore the claw quite a bit. All right, the head is still nice and solid. Face is a little smacked around, but that's what you do with a hammer. It does have the nail holder at the top, and I want to get into a little bit about why this hammer isn't good to use if you swing a hammer over 400 times a day, which I do. All right, I do concrete forming. I do a lot of swinging with this, and when you swing this hammer, in the long run, it does massive damage to your arm and your nerves. And when you think about the price of the Martinez, is nothing compared to what it will cost you to get therapy to get your arm back right from swinging this all day. All right, so in my opinion, I will spend the money to have health. All right, I don't like to put money on health. All right, you being cheap, you don't want to buy a durable and amazing hammer because it's too expensive, but you don't realize that you're spending that money within your health. Okay, you're not getting away with it. But anyway, I'm retiring this hammer today. I got this brand new M1. I'm about to unbox this, but this steel iron hammer does a lot of damage over time. All right, your wrists, everything. Yeah, you do get strong, but if you swing this hammer for long enough, you'll realize that there's a lot better out there. All right, so we're done with that. That hammer is officially retired. I'm gonna open up this Martinez right now. Happy birthday, me. Leave a happy birthday in the comments if you support me. This is an amazing gesture. This is just the quantity, paper, and all that other jazz. We don't care about that. All right, let's get to the hammer. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. So here we have it. We got the Martinez M1 framing hammer. All right, so I'm going to explain this hammer from start to finish so you guys know everything about it. If you're thinking about purchasing this hammer, you'll do your research through this video. Okay, that's what I did. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on this hammer, but it's not a lot that has the money green like this. This is very nice. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the head. The head of this hammer is engineering innovation. The head of this hammer is pretty insane that you can buy a brand new head. The head is interchangeable. that you take out this bolt right here, pull that bolt out, the head comes right off. So if you break your claw, which happens sometimes, you can just replace that head. Okay, you never have to buy this titanium shaft again. This titanium shaft is a lot lighter than most hammers. You won't be doing that much damage to your arm using a titanium handle. Okay, we do have a custom see-through green grip right here. This grip is pretty nice, pretty beautiful. The grip is removable when it wears. All right, most hammers, when you use for a long time, the grip wears out, the hammer gets useless, and you got to send your hammer back and you can't use it, and it's pretty sad. But with the Martinez hammer, you can just pop this little screw off and cut this grip off and replace it, and you're back to work. So because I spent so much on this hammer, I would never need to buy another hammer. The only thing I probably will need to buy is a new head and a new grip. All right, I do plan on using this a lot, so this hammer won't stay green for long. We will swing this hammer like crazy, but I just want to also say I got the mill face. I do swing at some crazy ties doing concrete, and this face will just smack those ties right off. All right, also we got the magnet. It's definitely made in the USA, which is pretty amazing. Now most jobs get sent overseas, but still made in the country that I was born in, so I'm pretty impressed about that. This nail puller here is absolutely incredible. The leverage that you get yanking nails off the wall is pretty insane. I can't wait to use this tomorrow. And yeah, so this is the breakdown of the Martinez. Oh, I almost forgot. So you see these holes here in the middle of the titanium bar. You can tighten and open up some nuts, whatever fits this bar, which is pretty insane that the hammer has that much use on it. In the long run, you'll be a lot healthier using the Martinez. It's a great hammer. It's a lot better than this right here. So as you guys can see, the hammer is pretty much the same size and length. It will work tremendously for you guys, man. All right, so this is the unboxing of my new M1. I'll be dropping some updates here in about 2 months. You'll see a lot of this green wear off, and a lot of this black on this head will be wore off, man. If you appreciate this video, drop a like, drop a sub. The world's most expensive hammer, over $400, man. M1 Martinez. Mr. Martinez, if you ever watch my video, God bless you, man. Thank you. I'm gone.